You're still waiting for that alarm clock to wake you up? Still depending on a sound to get you moving? Listen, the alarm clock isn't your savior. You're depending on it because deep down, you're avoiding your life. And guess what? That alarm can't live your life for you. Stop depending on someone or something to wake you up. Laziness is not just staying in bed, it's living like you've got unlimited time. You act like tomorrow is guaranteed, but it's not. Hit the reset button on your mindset. Start rebuilding. Your life is precious, fight for it. Get out of the misery you've been swimming in. Take a deep breath, get some air in your lungs, and start living again. Tell your excuses to shut up. Tell your pity party it's been cancelled. You don't need a way out, you need a way in. Help yourself. You don't have permission to quit. Yes, you'll be judged. Yes, some will doubt you. Yes, it will hurt. But you've got what it takes. You have the strength, the mind, the will. You were born with it. That pain, that storm, that brokenness you feel, it's temporary. Life is always changing. Someone's life changes every second. Yours can too. Stop wasting time. You don't get another shot at today. Time is moving whether you move or not. And one thing's for sure. Death is coming for us all. But until then, live. Live like it matters, because it does. Yes, it's hard being human. We all hurt. We all get angry. We all feel broken sometimes. But nobody can do you better than you. You matter. Your life has value. It's not over. You can put the pieces back together. With passion. With conviction. With fire. Stop waiting for a hero. Stop expecting someone to bail you out. You got yourself in that mess? Then you can get yourself out. Stand up with integrity. Rebuild from the inside out. Your actions must now speak louder than your excuses. Stop saying, "I'm trying." Start doing. Crossword segment 6. Fight like it's your last day. 5:31 to 6:30. How much time do you really think you have left? Don't live like life is forever. Live like it's a gift. And don't you dare let comfort fool you. Those who had it easy don't know what real toughness is. You do. Because you've been through the fire. So stand. Push. Climb. Win. Every day, life is shifting. Someone's story is being rewritten. Why can't it be yours? If you keep wasting time waiting for perfect conditions, you're going to miss your calling. Death is guaranteed, but life? That's the gift. And it's not about how long you live. It's about how well you fight. You're breathing. That's your blessing. You're still here, so ACT like it. Yes, you're going to feel hurt. Yes, you're going to feel angry. Because you're human. But hear me. No one can walk your path better than you. You're enough. You're capable. You were born with fire in your soul and strength in your spine. And guess what? It's time you stand up and act like it. You keep hoping someone will come along and bail you out. But the longer you wait, the deeper the hole becomes. You're looking for a hero. But you are the hero. Stop expecting people to fix what they didn't break. Stop blaming life. Stop depending on others for your joy. You were given life, now go make it count. reconstruct your life with your own hands. Let your actions speak louder than your excuses. Don't just say you want change, become it. Every "I can't" needs to be replaced with "watch me." You're not weak. You've just been feeding the wrong thoughts. Start feeding your strength. Start building your discipline. Start doing what you promised yourself. And no, it won't be easy. But you were never meant for easy. You were born for war. You keep thinking you'll have more time. But how much do you really think you've got left? Another year? Another day? There are people in graves right now who had plans for tomorrow. Don't live like you're immortal. Don't waste your breath on excuses. Live like your soul is on fire. Don't tell me it's too late. Don't tell me you're too old. Don't tell me you've failed too many times. You're still alive. Then you're still in the game. It doesn't matter if you've fallen 100 times. Just make sure you rise 101. From the bottom of my heart. Conduct your business. Pick up the pieces. Dust yourself off. Look life in the eye and say, "You hit hard. But I hit harder." And if this message moved something in you, fire smash that like button. Speaking head comment, "I'm built for this." Bell subscribe for more truth, fire, and motivation. Because someone else needs to hear this. And you? You need to hear it again. Until it becomes who you are. Fall 7 times. Stand up 8. That's how warriors are made.
If you find this video inspirational and motivational enough, hit the subscribe, like, comment button and turn on your notifications bell for more uplifting videos like this.